Well, good morning, everybody. Take a look at that sunrise. Can you see it? It's a big ball of fire in the sky. Yep, that's it. Okay, hey, well, I'm out here at Sucker Flats. We spent the night out here, mainly because we had no bedding in the house. We packed up a lot of stuff yesterday. Slow Willie came over and helped because he thought we were doing it all on Saturday and we were going to do it all today on Sunday. So that's what we're going to do today. Because we ain't got no food in here, so we're going to go grab something to eat. Going to head back into Twin Falls. Like I said, we're out here at Sucker Flats. There's the head sucker over there. Yeah, me and my buddy, we're together again. Got our dogs here running around. We both got Boston Terriers. Hank, and where's Harlow? Harlow, come here, Harlow. Get in the picture. There you are, Harlow. Oh, there she goes. She's fast. So we're going to finish off today. Pretty sure we got supposedly about 15 people showing up. I think they're going to be tripping over each other. But a lot of the people showing up are old, like me. They ain't going to be lifting much. But we got some young'uns to come and lift the couches and stuff. When we get back, get all here, I'm going to walk around and show you all the improvements been going on here. There ain't any trees over there. There's one. You got one. Why'd you leave one? Oh, he's gone. He left one tree there. But all the rest of them are gone. But that's what we're going to do today. Yesterday was a long day. Got up at sunup and started putting things together, packing them up. I think we got everything boxed up. All we got to do today is put it all in that trailer, and you've seen the trailer. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll show you some of the people loading and such. Do a little better video. So thanks for watching. I don't know why, but this camera's going dark and light, dark and light. I think I might know. Anyway, stay tuned and subscribe.